Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. So let's get started with this interesting tutorial. So first of all, let me just open up the Instagram for here, and now you need to tap on the search icon like this, and now you need to search a place that you have seen the person, like you've seen a person, beautiful person on Bali or Miami Beach. So you need to search exact location in the search bar. So for my case, I have seen a person in Bali, Indonesia. So I will search for it, Indonesia, like this, simple. Then you need to tap on the search bar, search icon, just tap on it, and then from here on the upper side you will see the places option. So you need to tap on the places. Now you will see different types of options which you can select. So for my case, I will go and select the Bali, Indonesia, this option. And now from the recent tab you need to tap on the recent, and if that person posts a new photo of him or her, then you will see from here. So if you just go through all of these, and I hope you will get the person if he or she posted any photo in the and selected the location Bali, Indonesia. So hope this video helps you out. I think you will get her or him with this technique. So if you got him, please comment down below, and if you don't, then also you can share your sad moment. All right, have a great day and goodbye.